Ever wish your photos could come to life? Let's dive into Adobe Animate and animate your images, transforming a static photo into dynamic and fun animations. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new document. Choose a suitable document type, like Action Script 30 for broader compatibility. Next, import your chosen photo. Go to File, then select Import, followed by Import to Stage. Locate your photo on your computer and click Open. Your image will now appear on the stage. Now, the key to controlling your animation is Layers. Open your Layers panel, typically found on the right or in the window menu. This is crucial for breaking down your photo. Select the photo and use the Selection tool to define specific areas you want to animate, for example, the flower, sky, or person. Now we need to separate the photo into sections. In the Layers panel, click the new layer icon repeatedly to create individual layers for each section you've defined. Click a layer of the image you would like to animate. Place your playhead where you want your animation to begin. To begin animation, insert a keyframe where you want your first action to start, and copy and paste the same keyframe where you want your second action to start. Then go into the second keyframe and do your desired action. Here comes the magic. Use the free transform tool to subtly move, scale, or rotate elements within your keyframes, creating the illusion of movement. Now add a new keyframe and adjust each segment as necessary. Watch your image come to life. If you want to add effects, explore the numerous effects. That's it. With these simple steps, you can give your photos a new life. Experiment with different effects, layers, and techniques to achieve stunning results. Now, go animate.